Well, the court ruled unanimously that states can actually require that the people who serve as presidential electors vote for the candidate who wins the popular vote in their states.
So both major parties wanted this outcome. And the voters should know that the Supreme Court has basically allowed states to outlaw so-called rogue or faithless electors. The Supreme Court hasn't done it itself. It's just said that any state that wants to can. Right now, there are 15 states that have outlawed faithless electors. After today's decision, you might see more states doing that.
And both sides of this debate thought that it was really important that the court answer the question definitively before the next presidential election. In other words, before a potential political or constitutional crisis, in the event that the election outcome is so close and the outcome in the Electoral College, it turns on the votes of a couple of people.
The faithless elector has never really been the big issue with the Electoral College, because as you've said, it's only been a few here or there, never enough to change the outcome. What's really undemocratic about the Electoral College is that because of the way the electoral votes are counted, you could have a majority of the country going for one candidate, but then the candidate who got the fewest votes nationally actually winning, as happened in 2016 with Donald Trump and 2000 with George W. Bush. I think we'll see more efforts at Electoral College reform, which will then be challenged in the courts in the years to come.